I'll admit it. After running bots long enough, you stop being impressed by promises and start trusting behavior. And after using EA Scalper MT5 on my own trading for quite some time now, this one earned a proper review instead of a quiet uninstall. So, alright, this is me sharing how EA Scalper MT5 actually performed once the honeymoon period was long over. Starting right at the beginning, the setup is refreshingly uneventful in a good way. Right, click the zip file, choose the extract option, and inside you get the EA Scalper MT5 file, along with the README and installation instructions. Clean and simple, no missing pieces, no confusion, which already sets the tone that EA Scalper MT5 is built for traders who value clarity. Now, let's spend proper time on MyFXBook, because this is where EA Scalper MT5 really explains itself. The account shows a gain of about 463.33%, starting from deposits of $10,000 and building the balance up to roughly $56,333, with total profit around $46,333 and no withdrawals during the tracked period, which tells me the growth wasn't artificially staged. Monthly performance sits near 53.97%. Daily movement stays modest around 0.04%. And yes, drawdown reaches roughly 56.74%. But it's paired with a clear recovery structure rather than chaotic collapse. Trade distribution across pairs like EURCHF, EURGBP, EURUSD, GBPCHF, GBPUSD, and USDCAD shows strong win ratios, many sitting between 77 and 91%. And what stands out is how EA Scalper MT5 stacks consistent wins across multiple symbols instead of relying on one lucky run. The equity curve climbs with pauses, dips, and recoveries that feel intentional. And after monitoring EA Scalper MT5 for a while, it's clear this system is designed to survive volatility rather than panic inside it. Okay, let's go to the backtesting part, quickly and cleanly. On MT5, using an initial deposit of $1,000 with every tick modeling EA Scalper, MT5 steadily grew the account to a little over $2,200, showing controlled equity growth, measured drawdowns, and consistent trade execution, which lines up well with the live MyFXBook behavior, and confirms the logic isn't just curve-fitted fantasy. So yes, after personally running EA Scalper MT5, reviewing its MyFXBook statistics in detail, and checking the MT5 backtesting results with real amounts, I can say EA Scalper MT5 is available on our website, and to know more about this bot, just check the description for full details. If you want ongoing updates, deeper insights, and real user discussions around EA Scalper MT5, alright, join our Telegram group as well, because that's where performance conversations continue long after the video ends.